Hello everyone, today we learn how to display named shapes on an OLED using microbit. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode. It's a display technology widely used in smartphones, TVs, and many other devices. It has the capability to light up each pixel independently. For this project, we need a microbit, an edge connector or LED display, breadboard and jumper cables. We use an edge connector which allows us to access all 25 pins of the microbit. This is how we should connect the 4 pins of the OLED to the microbit. Now let's discuss how to go to microbit make code. First, go to the browser and type microbit. That's the first step. The second step, select Microsoft Make Code for microbit. Third step, sign in with your account. It can be your Google account. Fourth step, you can type the project name. The project name can be OLED with named shapes. This is the code for the project. These are the values that we need to draw the rectangle and the filled circle. When you go to microbit make code, you'll get this screen. So you can remove this forever block and make sure you have the OLED. If it is not visible, go to extensions and type OLED here and press enter. Then you can select the first one and then you'll be able to see it on your screen. So first go to the OLED and select initialize OLED width and height. So it will initialize the width and height of your OLED display. And after that, go to the input category and select on button A pressed, drag and drop it here. First, we'll display the word circle. So go back to OLED and select show string, drag and drop it here, type circle. Okay, so now we need to draw the circle on the OLED. So go back to the OLED and select draw filled circle at X and Y values. So for the X value, you can give 30, 40 and 10. So X is 30, Y is 40 and you can leave it as 10. So when you're drawing this circle, always make sure there's nothing on the screen. So we go back to the OLED and select clear OLED display on the top. So okay, so that is when A button pressed. So now we need B button pressed. So I'll right click on the pink color area and select duplicate and drag and drop it here. So now we have to change this to B, so it will change from ash to its normal color. Change the name to rectangle. Okay. So then we don't need draw fill circle, so you can right click on it and delete. So go back to OLED to draw the rectangle, scroll down. And here you have the draw rectangle from, so drag and drop it here. So now we need to give the values. So the values would be X and Y 10 and 30. So X is 10, Y is 30, and then 2, 40 and 40. So 2, 40, Y 40. So like this. So now you can see the logo of microbit. I think every time you pressed the microbit logo, it should clear whatever the thing that is displayed on the screen. So get on logo pressed and right click on this, clear OLED display and duplicate, and drag and drop it here. So whenever you pressed this logo, whatever on the screen will get erased. So after completing the code, so this is the code that we need, you can download, hit the download button to download it to the microbit. So make sure when you're downloading, the microbit is fixed to the device or the laptop with the USB cable. Now we'll fix all these parts together. First I have this microbit with the downloaded code, so I've fixed it to the edge connector like this, and then I'll take the OLED display and I'll use in my breadboard, it's from 30th, 29, 28 and 27 pins. So I'll turn it to this side and connect it from 27, 28, 29, 30 pins to the corner. And now first I will connect the ground or GND with this white cable. So the GND should be 27th, so I'll fix the cable here, and the other side to the 0V is the ground in the microbit, and then next the VCC or the voltage, I'll take this green pin and the second one, that is 28 pin. If you can see here, V3, so I'll fix V3 here. So I'll take this brown cable and fix it to SLC, that is a serial clock, and I'll extend the cable and it should be fixed to the 19th pin, which is over here. So then I'll use this paper cable, which is extended, and fix it to the 30th pin from the OLED side and to the 20th pin in the microbit. Okay, so the cabling is done, so make sure everything is fixed properly, and I'll fix in the batteries. Okay, so now when I press the A, you can see it displays the circle here, and if I press on this logo, touch the logo, it hides. When I press the B button, it displays rectangle and the rectangle here. So you can improve your code to display more shapes. Okay, thank you for watching.